What's going on, hook setters? Line with us. I'm back with you. First off, I want to thank anybody who watched the last video, the last struggle, should I say, when you know, got kind of hectic. Tried to go out there and complete the mystery tackle box slam, and it was a real, you know what, show. It was terrible. It was tough. So it wasn't too much footage. It wasn't a great day, but thank y'all for watching. So I'm back for a little redemption. I'm with the wife and my brother-in-law. The last time I came out with him, we had a couple of issues, so he's never really fished. He caught one fish, but I'm trying to come out here and give him the whole Delta experience on what it's like to get on some. So I'm back out here. Once again, thank you all for tuning in to the last kind of shady video. It was real tough. Shout out to my boy, Largemouth Flunking, man. You rock with me that day. It was tough, bro. We was fighting it, but appreciate you rolling out. We got to get another one, man, and get on them, because that didn't do us no justice. Anyway, we gonna get out here quickly. My wife, she decided to challenge me, so we're gonna go out there. We're gonna do best five, heaviest and best five, and kind of get on them and see what we're gonna get. She wanted to challenge me, so every man, woman for themselves. Of course, the brother-in-law not really a fisherman, so we're gonna go out there and hopefully he could get on a couple. We'll just put him on some. We'll put him in the back and let him fight and do his own little thing. So best five for me and the wife. We'll see who come out on top in the end. As you've seen in the video a couple weeks back when we went to the beach, she set me up, so I'm out for blood. Anyway, y'all, thanks for tuning in. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'll get at you guys with a midday update soon, all right? Hook setters, let's get it. All right, y'all. So I gave y'all the whole grasp of today and what we got going on with the tourney between me and the wife. So she here. Competitor number 2. Told you, brother-in-law, he just here. But we got to get him on some fish because his last trip was pretty terrible. So me and the wife got a little wager. Best five, best weight of 5, or the best weight of what you catch. It may not be 5. And then I ain't gonna tell y'all what we bet, because it might be a little. This might be rated R. I'm just playing. I think we bet like dinner or something. So y'all see it? We here. Y'all ready?
Hey.
Ready?
Do it.
Let's make it happen. Do you? Do you? Y'all see her? She tried to get up on me real quick. Y'all see her? Get out of here with that. Get out of here with that. She just did the first cast curse, y'all. First cast curse. First cast curse.
Hey, not the silly. I don't believe in the curse.
Here we go. Oh, did he run me? Ah. Ah. Damn. It's a boil. There we go. Got him.
Nice.
Small shaker. Too bad he don't count.
Yep.
Whatever. Calm down. Don't you do it. 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 Okay, okay. Trying to put you back. Trying to put you back. Don't you do it. Well, you are dangerous. All right, all right, all right, all right. Okay, I got you. Got you. Point. Little baby. Little baby. Don't get your face messed up, little baby. There they go. Boats. Nah. There we go. There's one. And it's a keeper. And it's a keeper. It's a keeper, baby. Baby. Baby.
Need to get your little thangers.
Thangers? Get the front for me.
You know what I'm talking about, the little fives.
Pop, pop. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. All right, y'all. Hubby won. Wifey -1. She caught the baby. Let's go. It was gonna be blowing. That's remember actually which way it's blowing. We actually went because on the point it's blowing. You see it?
Yeah.
Where I caught him. Over here it's kind of calmer, which ain't really good for us, but they should still be there. There's one. There we go. There we go. There we go. Too small though. You're too small, baby. You're too small, baby.
I'll tell you that.
There's one. That's usually good for you. Might be a tourney today.
My coworkers told me to tell you to look into bank. They have tournaments. Is there like once a month too?
Who?
It's called Bank.
Bank. Bank.
Bass Association something tournament.
You sure it ain't kayak?
No.
Well, it's bank, so usually a K.
Oh my God.
Did y'all see that? I got tagged and then her bait came right for my face. See? Bruh, I'm telling you, she set me up. Luckily I got on glasses. She still might have got a cheek muscle with a hook, but my eyes are safe. She set me up.
Where's that video where you actually did it?
I don't know what you're talking about. What?
Actually put a jig on it.
A jig?
Huh?
You want a jig?
Yeah.
Why a jig?
Or it's one of those. Which one do you use? Which one do we use when we're trying to punch?
A punch rig? Who? What? What?
You want to try to fish that?
Huh?
You want to try fishing standing up?
Here we go. Oh! I thought he was around a tree because he felt bigger and I felt the 2-liter branch or whatever he was on break.
Nice.
Probably a little bigger than that. I don't know, it's still close. He got like a little gut, but I'll grab it. But I'm fishing the outside. Try the outside. It's not. Yeah, he might be short. He got a stomach. He eating. But I'll measure it. So he may not look like it, but this 13 and a half. So this number 2 for hubby. I gotta weigh him.
Damn.
Here we go. Yep. He hella little. Damn. Do I lose points for this?
You should.
I should throw it at your brother.
I would. Fuck it. First of all, how you love somebody after knowing them for a month?
Right?
First of all,
Look at my wine.
you ain't got no one.
Okay, wifey on. Wifey on.
I want my drag.
No, your drag know what it's supposed to. It's a keeper for sure, for sure. Get on in here. Swing a dosher. There we go. See? Ah, friendly competition. That's a nice one though. There we go. Now we gotta do is get this dude. I don't know what he's doing, but hold it up. See it? She trying to catch up. She trying to catch up. Yeah. Dang it. They gotta be little. I put on this a little bigger bait. They not killing it. Shouldn't have been talking about them. Said don't be trying to cross over. That's the keeper. That's the keeper. That's the keeper. It might not even be a keeper. That's gonna be fun. Take it. Broke off. I broke off again. There we go. Ooh, nice. 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 Got him. Ooh. All right, there's another little one.
Fish that way. What, so you can catch all the fish? Ooh, ooh. It's a nice one. Spot it?
Get the, what'd you say?
The way it was fighting, I thought it might be.
It looked like it for a minute. You got it?
Huh?
I was saying get the. There we go, y'all. Let me get a weight on it. Back the first spot we was at. Not the first spot, but the one we started hitting them at. That little stretch. Shit, right? We looking at you. Damn, I had one on there.
Damn. I had to watch that shit.
Well, he need to just leave it. He just need to let it sink and leave it like he bait fishing. Dude, you swallowed it. Calm down. He did swallow it.
Oh, the hook?
I was fixing my phone. I have to take this. There we go. There we go. Another good one. There we go. See how big he is. And I gotta go back to worms now. You got the troller? Cause I'm out of caught one? She got it. Look, Sherry Fair. I missed the catch because my shit dying, but she got one. So we're gonna put on the scale, see where she at. There you go. Why you ain't set the hood?
I just said it.
You didn't really set it though. Nice one too. There you go, bud. See what happens when you run the trolling motor the wrong way? Nice. Very nice. Yeah. Damn, you let him sit. You didn't really set the hood. You swallowed the hell out of it. Little one, huh? Whoa. Yep, little one. You set me up. Trying to set me up. Got my glasses on. So I got my glasses on. Get it from off that 2-lead. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Ah! Got him. You didn't. It is before it's time for us to head out. So I'm like, me too. Damn. Took my whole weight. It's cool. Going just like this. Wacky. What little one?
The one that I missed twice right there.
He ain't gonna be little. He gonna be a keeper. If I catch him, he gonna be a keeper. I let the little ones off the hook. I don't know. That's not him. It's not the one.
Oh, but he is not the one.
That's the one. I got my own fish. You got your. That's the one that was bugging you. This is my own fish. Nice. Got some quality ones. Just. Oh, he came up. He looked bigger, but he used to keep it up. I don't know. It's close to him. Did he?